Hello everybody, I'm Alban and with Divina, today we are going to explain to you how to become an exchange student at the UTC.
So exchange students are students who come from UTC's partner institution for a period of 1 to 2 semesters with or without the aim of getting a degree. Tuition is to be paid at the home institution and students have to bear the following expenses: accommodation, transportation, welfare, insurance and leisure activities. So there are 4 options to study at UTC. The first one is to either do a semester or an academic year at UTC. Second one is to do 1 semester and 1 semester of internship in France.
UTC's internship coordinators, both at the International Relations Office and the academic departments, will assist you in finding your internship in France.
The third one is to do 1 semester or 1 year of laboratory project at UTC. And the fourth option is to do a double degree. This means that you would have to do 3 semesters of academic studies and 1 semester of an internship in France.
So, let's get into it. Here are the first steps to be an exchange student at the UTC. First of all, you need to contact the International Relations Office at your home university to make sure that the UTC has signed a bilateral agreement with your home university. Fill out the attached application form carefully. Please show some courses that you intend to follow at the UTC with the help of your academic coordinators at your home university. You'll also have the possibility to do a lab project for 1 or 2 semesters at the UTC. So, on this link, you'll be able to find all the courses at the UTC.
Next, you just have to submit your application to the International Relations Office at your home university. Please note that the deadline for the fall semester is on the May 1st and for the spring semester it's the November 1st. 1 month after UTC has received your application documents, you will then receive an acceptance letter to obtain your visa. So that's all for this video. We hope that you managed to understand a little bit better about UTC's exchange opportunities. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact UTC at their email address incoming@utc.fr.